We are in Maine, and I have no idea where we are actually. Winslop. It's near Freeport, and it's a really nice coastal town. We've just gone for a walk in the forest, and we'll take the drone out just over this bay. Found this remote place. It's about 7:30 in the morning, just because we flew in last night, so we ended up getting up at 4 because jet lag, body clock, etc. It'll be nice to explore. We'll go for a little walk and take the drone out over the bay and the forest over here, which we'll have a little walk through. It'll be lovely. I think we'll just explore Maine and explore America by drone. This is vlog 3. Got the Mavic and this beautiful bay, and it's FAA registered, so we can now fly it in the States. Really easy to transport, really easy to carry, got it through customs reasonably easily. Just tell them that you've got a drone, as it is electronic. I had the batteries in a a lipo safe bag there. Oh yeah.
Said the wrong word, he meant security. And that's because he's an idiot and he decided not to take the electronics out of his bag, which is just obvious because you have to take your iPhone out of your bag, so why wouldn't you have to take a flying plane? Like, well, your plane's flying, but why would you have to take that out?
Well,
tell me that for why. For why? You do not.
Well, they said take your laptops, iPads, that sort of thing. They did not say drones.
Drones are still electronic. Drones are electronic, take them out. You just waste everyone's time. And then there's a queue of 12 people in front of there. On that note, on Eva.
Fine. Anyway, really easy to transport. It's a lovely day. We'll do some more flying later.